Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. Okay, I am at the Residence Inn by Marriott, Orlando Lake Mary, and Freedom the Parrot and I were here 3 years ago. I was down here to film Central Florida Zoo for 2 days, and most of the videos are posted, but I still have a couple hundred to post. And of course, here we are 3 years behind. Hey, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. And we want to give a shout out to Kathy at the front desk, because she still has her Freedom the Parrot magnet. Do you love it? Now this purse was made by Connie, who was my former neighbor, and we love it. And inside it's got all sorts of small zipper purses. Hey, Freedom. But look how beautiful. We have this lovely olive green couch with the chaise lounge at the end. We've got the chair with the desk. So of course I've got my laptop. You've got your bistro table. And then what's great about this, because we do not have a place to live yet, we're going to live in Oviedo, Florida, right around the corner. You got your microwave, your refrigerator, they've got the dishes, and you've got a large sink, and they get you started, and they have an extra paper towel. Hey, Freedom. And look how pretty. You got the sheer curtains, huge TV, beautiful bed. Everything is just lovely. You got your corner table with the clock, and hey, Freedom. And then we've got walk-in shower, your closet, and of course beautiful lighting, and the sink area is really pretty. So again, this is at the Residence Inn by Marriott, Orlando Lake Mary, and we loved it here when we were here last time because there's really pretty trees in the backyard. And tomorrow we're going to walk over to a taco place. We already got a recommendation, so shout out to Kathy at the front desk. Woohoo! We gave her a Freedom the Parrot magnet a couple years ago, and she still has it, so it's very exciting. All right, signing off live with Freedom. Have a great day.